Oh, is that Lemon Drop? Yeah, he wants Furby to come back in the room with him. He's sad. But look who's getting glamorous for you, Beeper. She loves her visitors. Is that your baby? Is she pretty? Beeper's the only girl that we have that hasn't laid eggs ever. I'm so happy about that. But she's very curious about the baby. He's swinging? Oh, you scared Beeper. Beeper took off running. All flying. She's not too sure about all your craziness, girl. You're hyper. They're a little bit more timid than that. She's like, what happened? How'd I scare away my friend? Beeper, are you okay, baby? Furby's in her basket. From the safety of her basket, she will look at the baby birdie. Lemon Drop! You trying to figure your way out? You can fly out there. I know you can. I've seen it before. Too many times. You got Beeper Girl in here visiting you, Lemon Drop. Keeping you company. Ew. You cleaning the fan for me? Thank you. So nice. I know, you're wondering where your Furby girl's at. She's in a basket currently. She's on top of the shelf in the kitchen on a basket. In a basket. Well, technically she's perching on the basket. With all the excitement this morning, let's see how I'll miss. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs you're sitting on? Where did you get all those eggs from? Some of those must be Furbies. We gotta throw them away and you guys gotta start over. I'm buying you fake eggs to put in there. Beeper Girl! You came to see mommy? Is it time for makeup and skincare routines? This is where she likes to be whenever I do my makeup and my hair. She has to be right there with me. Yeah, 'cause you're so